Rogers modem acting up. A factory reset or hard reset wipes all custom settings and returns the modem to its default state. This is useful for fixing persistent connectivity issues, forgotten Wi-Fi passwords, or even potential malware. Before you start, understand that this will erase your personalized settings, so note them down if possible. While Rogers app allows partial resets, a full factory restore often requires manual steps. Remember, for minor issues, a simple reboot soft reset is often sufficient. Factory resets are best as a last resort for deep-seated problems. Keep in mind that performing a reset during a firmware update can brick your modem, rendering it unusable. First, locate the reset button on the back of your Rogers modem. It's usually a small, recessed button. Use a paperclip to press and hold this button for 30 to 60 seconds, depending on your modem model. Check your model's manual online for the exact time. Release when the modem lights flash or the device restarts. After the reset, connect the modem to power and the coaxial cable. Wait for it to initialize. The lights should stabilize. Then access the modem's web interface, typically at 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.100.1, using QSadmin for both username and password. Set up your ISP credentials, provided by Rogers, Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password, and security settings. Finally, register the modem with Rogers through their website or app to activate your service. And test your connection speed using a tool like speedtest.net to ensure it matches your plan.